Welcome back to another special episode. Today we are in Hollywood Studios.
Woo!
And we are here because we are doing a full ride POV of Smugglers Run. We're gonna get the ride queue, we're gonna get the full experience of the ride, we're gonna get the exit, we're gonna get some shots of the exterior. So you're gonna get to see the whole experience from start to finish for Smugglers Run. It's a fantastic, exciting ride. I gotta tell you, it's gonna be a little bumpy, so stay with us because it's a bumpy ride, but it is awesome. So here we go, stay tuned.
Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up.
Everyone hold the yellow shot for me. Perfect. Can I get the bag, go over the seatbelt?
Hit your flashing button. You better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. Pilot opposite and pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And pull forward to fly down. Watch it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Jump. Up. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is, after that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent, now gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes! You got one! Excellent, my friends! Now power up the ship! Well, I gravity go axiom! You see, just as I promised, my friends. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium! Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car! Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white rings? Fly. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's breaking shooting. I think I will let you tell the rules. Hold that. Things are getting hot. We've got to get out of there. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. If we leave them back, they may find the resistance. He's the last. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be wrong. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is rough.
Wow.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when it's time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
Welcome back. Right here, Exodus. Be sure to have all your cargo with you.
All available text. We have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.
Are they expensive?
No, they were like $15.
Okay.
Now we're at the proper rebel base.
This is great. Yeah.
All right, so what an amazing ride. I love the ride. Every time we get to ride it, every time we get to see it, experience, I just love Smuggler's Run. It's such
So
a
do
cool
I.
ride.
And I am an amazing gunner, if I do say so myself. He is actually, I don't know if that's true, but
You should let other people tell you you're the good gunner.
Hey, I try my hardest. But him and Max are actually very good pilots.
Yeah, I'm only good for
Above
some reason.
average.
I'm only good for some reason on the right pilot side, and Max is only good on the left side. We tried switching one time, and we wrecked all over the place. Like, I don't even know how the thing stayed together. But when we switched, all of a sudden it all came together. So yeah, if you, it's just you might want to try different positions because you might be really good at one and not so good at another one. So I love the ride. I think it's awesome. Give it a shot. Hopefully you got to see it through the POV, the eyes of what we would have seen. And I encourage you to come ride it, come see it. And that's all we've got today. So don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button.
Subscribe.
You get to see our episodes every day. Thanks for joining us. The Noble Way.
Is the easy way.
Bye-bye.